Okay, in this video, what we're going to do is look at the UniBRIDGE Project room, layout, and features and tools. So we go onto the UniBRIDGE Project website and we have a look around. We go into the member area, go into their section for UniBRIDGE rooms. And as you can see, there's some information here for different mobile and desktop versions, different tools that are involved. But let's go into UniBRIDGE 1 for this example. Type in your name and your email, and it'll take a few seconds to open. It's browser based, so you don't need to download a specific software or program for accessing UniBRIDGE rooms. Okay, so once you're in, you can see there's a few different features. The layout has a default that can be changed. You can see there's participant area. Now, generally, if there's a participant, a partner that is not a presenter, you can make them a presenter, and this gives them all of the functions and powers that a presenter has. Okay, so now we're both presenters. There's a chat box where you can type in text messages to each other. There's functions for video and audio. You can click record and you record different elements of the session if you want, or just the whole thing. It's a good idea to become familiar with the whiteboard. It's very useful. You can type in text into the whiteboard that your partners see. You can also write directly onto the whiteboard, and your partners can write at the same time. One of the most useful tools is the presentation feature. With this one, you can upload PowerPoint files, Word documents, images like JPEG images, and a few other files that you can share with your partner and you can both talk about at the same time. This way you can give a presentation live and your partners can ask questions in real time based on what you're presenting to them. If you don't have a specific presentation to give, it's still a good idea to put up some kind of image. That way, when you're watching your recording for feedback later, you don't have the default graphic. You have something a little bit more interesting and personalized. There are some other functions in the bottom right corner, just underneath where the text chat box is. You can set a status. That can be that you agree or disagree. You could put a symbol there that lets your partner know that you would like them just to talk a little bit softer. And when you're ready to exit, you go up in the top right corner and click exit. You can exit yourself, or you can end the event totally. When you exit the UniBRIDGE room, you go back to the UniBRIDGE website. You can check out the recent blog posts that come up on UniBRIDGE. A lot of the UniBRIDGE articles are contributions from participants like yourself about their experience or about their culture, whether that's Australian or Indonesian. If you want to access your recording, you can click in the member section. You can download your recording directly as an MP4, or if you like, you can just copy the link and either watch the video online or send the link to your teacher for feedback, or your partner for feedback if you like. As well as the recordings on the website and the articles in the blog, there are lots of language resources in both English and Indonesian. So if we have a look at the Indonesian section, there are different levels of Indonesian that are available from elementary to advanced. And if we have a look at the elementary one, you can see a few different categories, including survival Indonesian, adjectives, talking about your university, those kinds of things. So these lessons have a variety of formats. Simple ones have basic vocabulary with a few key phrases, all the way up to advanced lessons where they have a video that you watch and you answer comprehension questions and then discuss it with your partner. If you want to know more or have a question, you can check out the frequently asked questions section of the website. There are a lot of common issues that can be resolved by just looking through this section of the website. And so that's a brief look at the UniBRIDGE project rooms and some of the tools that are involved, some of the most useful tools that you might find useful, as well as looking at some of the parts of the website that you might find to be useful to help you learn languages better, faster, become fluent quicker, as well as connect with people from other cultures and other ways of life. Thank you for listening. Check out the rest of the YouTube channel for more videos, and see you in the UniBRIDGE room. Cheers.